Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
After you've got your hands on one, follow these simple steps to cast to TV without Wi-Fi. Plug in your Chromecast to the HDMI port of the TV. Use the USB cable from your Ethernet adapter and plug it into your Chromecast device. Next, plug in the Ethernet cable into the other end of the adapter. Voila!
Take our lead.
How to use your Chromecast without a Wi-Fi connection, and cast all of your favorite content even without internet. If you can't connect to Wi-Fi, you can still stream to your Chromecast by using guest mode on the Google Home app, mirroring your Android device's screen, or connecting a cord from your device to your TV.
Let's help you make your mark.
Screen mirroring is a localized action, which means the screen sending device and screen receiving device need to be on the same network. An internet connection is not required. Since connections are point-to-point and remain on the local network, screen data never crosses the internet.
Let's help you make your mark.
Screen mirroring that uses wireless display technology like Miracast actually creates a direct wireless connection between the sending device and the receiving device. Therefore, no Wi-Fi or internet connection is required to mirror your phone screen onto your smart TV.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.